Wow, does time go by fast. We're already in summertime again, and I am pumped to announce the second annual Jam Campus Create a Song Challenge. This means that you are personally invited to create your own educational song and music video, submit it to Jam Campus for a chance to win some crazy cool prizes. Here's how it's gonna work. Starting today, you have until August 1st, 2019 to submit your own educational song and music video for a chance to win some cool prizes. It's pretty easy to submit. All you need to do is upload your video to YouTube and have it be either unlisted or public, and then submit your YouTube video link to our contest form below. You're probably wondering, what is the prize going to be? Well, for the ultimate winner of the Create a Song Challenge in 2019, judged by myself and my wonderful wife Karen, you will receive a $50 Amazon gift card, plus your video and channel will be featured on the Jam Campus channel. Alright, so what if you want to create a song but you have no idea where to start? Well, we have a free ebook that you could download at the link below on the 7 secrets to making your own songs. It's really helpful to get started even if you don't have any musical background at all, so just give that a download and hopefully it will help get you started. If you do have any questions, or you need any inspiration, or you're not sure exactly what to do, shoot me a comment down below on this video. I'd love to help out in any way that I can. I'm really looking forward to hearing your songs and listening to your videos over the next few months. Have an excellent rest of your summer.